Hello, good afternoon, respected members of parliament. My question is, what is Uganda doing to improve the skills of its workers? What are the various practical things to adapt them to the changing workplace, especially with regard to the increasing automation and various other things going on around the world? How can Ugandan workers increase their skills?
Skills.
Skills, yes. Skill development.
About improving the skills of its workers. Of course, the government has come with variety of approaches, including vocational institutions, whereby workers of different grades are skilled in the different sectors, and that's the way forward. And this is what has even increased on the production of labor, because we are placing people in the different categories and adding on skills and motivating them to the extent that they're even touring them now so that they can acquire the skills and be self-sustaining. And I think we are moving toward that. Not only that, when you come to the formal organizations like factories, there is regular programs of imparting new skills about the modern technologies that are working. And we as workers, this is something that we are advocating for.
Thank you.